Hey guys, it's me Lila, and today I'm gonna make a new video tutorial. It's been a long time but I haven't made one. So I've seen not much tutorials about how to edit audios, like for edits, you see. But like I've seen one and I'm like making a mashup, like one tutorial and another and then making both. I'm gonna give the credits like in the description for one of the tutorials, but the other part of the tutorial I made it like myself. It was my idea. I don't know if anyone else have made it, but anyway, um yeah. So first what you have to do is record your audio, like any audio you want, anything. It could be literally any song. um it also have also to record like the sounds. You see those sounds like whoosh and stuff like that you hear in the music that you haven't heard like in the original. Yeah, you have to record those too, and I've already made that. So I'm gonna put like a clip about me recording. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna show you like what you have to do first. So first go to my mp3 convert, well, like any kind of mp3 converter, like it could be literally anything. So now you go like choose video from gallery, and then you pick the video that you recorded from YouTube, and like you look for it and then you take it. Now I've already made that. So now I put like, you see those three little points, I tap on this and then I open with, and then I go to documents, copy to documents. So you can see it's right there. Like I know you've seen here like burn rise edit, that's like I've already made that before, so like I've already tried, but this is like for a tutorial. And then you go there and then you go share. Well, actually you don't have to do that. No, you got it there. And then now you go to garageband, go to create song, and then you see there's audio recorder, go on that. So you see on the top left there's gonna be those little lines, and then you see those like large lines, like those bold lines. You tap on that and then it turns into a microphone. I recommend you to go like here in the little plus, and then there's 8 bar, and then you put automatic because it depends on the music. So like for example, if the music is really large, then it will make it, then it'll be automatically like the same bar. So now you put go on loop, and then you take files, and then go to browse items from the files app, go to documents, and then just you're gonna find the audio that you put. You tap on it and then you're gonna see it there, and then you remove it. I don't know how I put it 2 times, but you, well, you pick it, you take it, and then you put it there. After that you have to make you have to record there. You see like the record button right there. I'm gonna like put a circle, and then you see there's like this box there, like where it says cut off and filter. Well, you have to record, and then you start this, and then for example tap on the record, and then you can like make, this is where you can make the underwater effect. Like you can move it like this, and where you're gonna make like you can hear the song. Now look carefully of how I do it.
Strangers online was the best decision I ever made. Reality is lemons and they ain't talking.
Okay, so you might hear some background noises. Sorry for that. It's my brother talking with his friends. Okay, so after you finished you were satisfied. You can repeat any time if you weren't satisfied, but still. You tap on the paper into left corner. Tap on it and it's gonna save. Okay, so after you save, now it's supposed to be there. Now you hold on down to it, and then you go to share. And then it says choose a format for my song for, well, the project's name. There's gonna be tap to send your song as stereo, blah blah blah. This is to turn into MP3, and that's what I want to do. If you want to turn into ringtone, well, you can. If you want to make it into a project, well, you can do it again too. So I want to turn it to song for my edit. So, well, for me to add like the sound effects. So you go into song, and then I recommend you to put high quality because this is like the most recommended. So yeah, and then it says then you go to copy to documents. You wait for a little moment. And then move. And then you put it to documents, and then voila. And then you're gonna see it here. I'm gonna wait for it to finish. Well, if you want, you can change the song name. Well, I'm gonna put it burnt. Well, that's not the name of the song. Burnt rice tutorial. Dot image M for A. It doesn't matter whether it is MP3 or stuff. The important thing it's an audio. Now you put it to share because like I wanna do it. I wanna do something with it to KindMaster. So you go to share again, and then go to more. And then it says copy to KindMaster. Well, if you have another app, I don't know if there's another app for it because like I want to add the sound effects. So you go to copy to my KindMaster because I'm using KindMaster. You can use any other apps that's gonna say that. So copy to KindMaster. So now it says burn tries tutorial dot M4A was saved to the internal folder in the audio browser because it's not it's the same thing as Android because you see Android that it's already saved like the song, so you don't have to make share and stuff. But like in iOS it's different. I don't know why, but it is.